Spell is the local badge of abracadabra money, a decentralized money DeFi stage that permits clients to stake, loan, and homestead yields, with Spell filling in as the administration and utility token to open different elements and advantages inside the biological system. In the event that you're searching for Spell token cost expectations conjecture for 2024, 2025, 2030, and need to know where the costs of Spell token Spell will go from here on out, we will break down the past costs of Spell token Spell and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you really want to take this forecast and each and every expectation with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master examiners. Also, anticipating something so wonderful is totally inconceivable. Be that as it may, we will make an honest effort. We should begin. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 401% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we analyze the ongoing business sector cap of the Spell with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is additionally down. Spell token is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The Spell is down to nearly 22.94% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for recent days. The coin could areas of strength for have in any case. We don't feel that it would a beneficial resource in present moment. Spell token value forecast number cruncher. Our Spell forecast number cruncher utilizes progressed calculations and AI models examine a huge swath of elements, from verifiable value information to showcase feeling, to give a far-reaching expectation of Spell token. Just info your ideal time period and see the possible anticipated worth of Spell token. Our number cruncher will produce a complete rundown of month-to-month cost expectations. Spell token benefit number cruncher is a free device that permits you to quickly assess the presentation of your Spell property by working out likely benefits and misfortunes in view of fluctuating business sector costs. Basically enter the sum you have contributed, the purchasing cost, and the sell value, expense, and our Spell adding machine will wrap up. We anticipate future Spell token cost expectation Spell gauge by applying profound computerized reasoning helped specialized examination on the past value information of Spell token. We give a valiant effort to gather greatest verifiable information for the Spell coin, which incorporate various boundaries like past value, Spell token market cap, Spell token volume, and not many more. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into advanced digital currencies and need great profit from your speculations, make a point to peruse our expectations. Spell token value expectation synopsis. Spell token is presently valued at $783 on the lookout. The cost of one Spell would reach as high as $0.019 by 2025. Spell token Spell is expected to arrive at a most extreme cost of $0.0122 constantly 2030. The negative cost expectation for Spell token Spell in 2040 is 0.5 with a likely high of 16673. In a bullish situation, Spell token could outperform the 0.9413 mark for 2050, displaying likely vertical energy. Spell token value expectation 2024. Spell token cost is conjectured to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $0.911 in 2024. According to our discoveries, the Spell cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $0.113 with the typical estimate cost of $0.112. Spell token value expectation 2025. The cost of Spell token is anticipated to reach at least degree of $0.917 in 2025. The Spell token cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.019 with the typical cost of $0.017 all through 2025. Spell value figure for 2026. Spell token cost is gauged to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $0.24 in 2026. According to our discoveries, the Spell cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $0.89 with the typical conjecture cost of $0.24. Spell token Spell value expectation 2027. The cost of Spell token is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $0.934 in 2027. The Spell token cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $1.42 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.35 all through 2027. Spell token value expectation 2028. The cost of one Spell token is supposed to reach at the very least degree of $0.5 in 2028. The Spell cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.6 with the typical cost of $0.52 all through 2028. Spell token value forecast 2029. According to the conjecture and specialized examination, In 2029, the cost of Spell token is supposed to reach at least value worth of $now72. The Spell cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $0.08 with the typical worth of $0.74. Spell token Spell value forecast 2030. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Spell, in 2030 the cost of Spell token is gauged to be at around a base worth of $-5. The Spell token value worth can arrive at a limit of $122 with the typical exchanging worth of $8 in est. Spell token value estimate 2031. According to the estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2031 the cost of Spell token is anticipated to reach at least degree of $158. The Spell cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $183 with the typical exchanging cost of $162. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Spell, in 2032 the cost of Spell token is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $218. The Spell cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $2269 with the typical exchanging cost of $2226. Spell token value forecast 2033. The cost of Spell token is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $miles in 2033. The Spell token cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $9 with a typical exchanging cost of $339 all through 2033. Spell token value figure 240. Understanding business sector patterns and opinions is vital, however feeling can be flighty. Inspecting current market elements can offer experiences into potential cost developments, yet taking into account the more extensive ecosystem is fundamental. In 2040, the most extreme cost of Spell token is supposed to reach $673, with a typical exchanging worth of $681. The base cost is projected to be around $190. According to the estimate and specialized examination, in 2050 the cost of Spell token is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of $22.78. The Spell cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $194.13 with the typical worth of $654. Spell token value figure facts. What is the Spell token cost today? Today Spell token Spell is exchanging at $783 with the market cap of $84,109 to $23,000. Spell token's worth is supposed to keep on growing, as lack will in general energize cost rise. If it's not too much trouble, note, there is a gamble to any venture. Simply put resources into what you can achieve prior to arriving at any resolutions and lead the most extreme examination conceivable. What amount will Spell token be worth in 5 years? In 5 years, Spell token will have a base cost of $6 and a most extreme cost of $5 per spell. Since Spell